Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Have y'all watched Squid Game? Because I'm gonna do a look inspired by it. I've been seeing a lot of people do makeup looks from the show, but they look hard, and you know me, I want to challenge myself and do more creative looks, especially now that I have eyeliner finally. So I'm gonna start and do more creative looks, more prints, stuff that I need to draw, you know, to make it more fun. And I'm just gonna try and see how it looks. I'm gonna do the shapes right here, probably cut the crease, make it bloody, even though I don't have fake blood. I don't know how much. I'm gonna try and do it with eyeshadow and paint. Let's see, because I have hooded eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna have space. And also I'm gonna try and draw the girl. Red, green light, gold game, the first game. Oops, I don't know if that's a spoiler. Ooh. I'm sorry if I spoiled it. Y'all should, it's on Netflix, by the way. Y'all should watch it. I recommend it. So this is from the old book. Okay, this is, I'm trying to do a bloody crease of shade. I drew the girl right. I'm just gonna start with, I think I'm gonna draw the shades first. So I had to remove it and print my base with a little bit of concealer. That's it. So I'm gonna start again and draw the shapes on my crease. So now I'm gonna cut the crease and make it a guideline. So I'm just going to carefully start right here and then meet myself in the middle and then all the way to the end. You see, I barely made the crease fit like that. And now I'm just gonna fill in the concealer all over my lid to set it as a base and blend it with my fingers. So I'm gonna use the Sign by Kimmy palette. I'm gonna use her red shade and outline the crease. Now I'm gonna get paint. I'm gonna use this red shade. I'm gonna use a little bit of water to activate it, and I'm gonna use a paintbrush, and I'm just gonna flick the brush with blood and see if it works. So here I seen a trick where you smack this, I don't know how to explain it, and it splatters all over. So I'm gonna try and see. Oh, okay, that didn't help. Nothing is splattering. Now what? I guess I'm just gonna just do that for now. Just add squiggly lines, like random lines everywhere to make it look like it's splattered. A few polka dots here and there. I don't know what I'm doing. Now here I'm gonna draw the girl. Well, I'm gonna try right here, right here. So I'm just gonna use concealer first to draw her, and we'll see. I forgot that I have this eyebrow pencil, and it's a concealer pencil, so I'm gonna draw with this instead of concealer. So I think it might be more easier, so I'm gonna try it and see if it looks good enough. Okay, so I know them. So I'm gonna draw her head first. You know what? I'm just gonna risk it because it's hard to draw with the concealer. I'm gonna try and see how it looks. That doesn't look like the paper. That doesn't look good. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Humble Heaven palette. I'm gonna use the pink shade, and I'm gonna fill in the shades. Okay, I'm gonna use the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use this pink shade. I'm gonna use red on my bottom crease. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Essence mascara. I'm gonna use the Ionic Cosmetics lashes with my Kiss Lash Glue. I'm now gonna fill in the girls. I'm gonna use the Kimmy palette. I'm gonna start with her hair. I'm gonna use this black one and making it worse because sometimes I fix it and it looks worse than the first time, so I'm just gonna wing it and leave it like that. It definitely looks better when I draw it on the paper, but it's harder in your face. Even though you know how to draw, it's weird. It's because I'm guessing the texture, the obviously I have cheekbone right here, it kind of curves. It's not a flat surface, so obviously it's hard. So I think that's why people mainly draw right here in their eyelid. I know it's the same porque it still has curves and it's not flat. I don't know, it's easier in the paper. So there, the hair looks kind of gray. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Draw. Oh wait, she has pigtails. Her hair is under here too. So I'm just gonna fill in her hairs. She looks cute, huh, and innocent. No, she's bad. She's a devil child. So on this side I messed up the pigtails and the bees and the little balls are purple, so I'm gonna use her purple shade. It's the first time I use her purple shade. I hardly use purple. I need to use more purple. There it is, her purple. Fill it in, fill it in. I'm gonna use her yellow shade now. This one. Her neck is really skinny. I drew it way too skinny because it didn't fit. And right here, her shoulders. I'm gonna use her orange shade and fill in the rest of her dress. Oops. Me pasé de la línea. I'm gonna use a clean brush with concealer. I'm just gonna swipe a little. It's the first time I draw faces, so I think it's pretty alright. So now I'm gonna use the pink shade and fill in the lips. Then her skin tone, I'm gonna use this brush, this eyebrow pencil and fill it in gently. I don't think I have my skin tone eyeshadow. I'm using Norvina palette shade. I'm gonna do it carefully. Fill in the black part again with the liner. You guys, my freaking mirror fell down and it broke. And it usually falls, but this time it fell with the mirror down, this part down. And you know what that means? You know what superstitious people think? It's bad. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep it in my brain and my heart, nothing. I'm just gonna leave it out there, act like nothing happened. So I'm just gonna use this. That's all for eating, because I woke up not late, but I just was laying down. I didn't want to wake up early today. I don't know, one of those days. So I decided to start the look right away without eating. So now I was like, you know what, I'm gonna eat a little bit right here while doing this look, since I'm not filming this part. And while I was reaching to eat like this, the mirror, I had it in my lap and it fell. So I should have ate before. But oh well, that's what happened. I'm really clumsy. Everything breaks on me. So oh well, so I'm just gonna keep doing the look. So I don't know, I just felt like sharing that. It's probably not, but I'm just, I need to let it out. I don't want to start thinking about it or nothing. So okay, bye. Y'all, do y'all think it's because I'm doing Squid Game makeup look and it's cursed or what? No, I don't mess with that. But seriously, I just prayed in my head a little bit because I don't want to invite negative energy. Y'all know about that. I don't want it. So just hope for the best and just ignore it, because God got me, So I already finished both of my looks, so I'm just gonna do the face really simple, and probably like a nude brownish lip. I don't want to overpower anything. I'm not even gonna add a blush. So I'm gonna use the Airspun powder. Where's my mirror? You see it? I forgot I don't have. Keep burping. I'm just gonna be using my mirror from any eyeshadow palette for now, because I don't have a mirror. That was the only one. I used to have another one, but it was a blue one and it broke. But that was because it was from Family Dollar. It was cheap. And same with other mirrors. Remember, I had a Hello Kitty one and I let it borrow to some friend in high school, and she broke it when she gave it to me. And I don't know if she knew and she didn't want to tell me. She was scared and she just gave it to me broken. And I didn't notice, I think, until I got home or something. I don't know, I can't remember. And I was like, oh. I think it was her, because when I gave it to her, it was not broken. I take care of my stuff. I was sure. I was like, I don't think by having it in my bag and going home, it broke, because I'm not crazy when I walk. I don't think it was that. But for some reason, I didn't confront her and ask, hey, did you break my mirror and you were scared, so you just gave it to me like that? And I think I let her borrow. I let her borrow it for a weekend, or I don't know why. I just gave it to her. I don't know why would she want it. It's just a small mirror like this. It was square or a little bit smaller. It was just a little kitty, I guess. Oh, we were freshmen in a high school, I think. So, and she had a lot of sisters, so they were probably like in middle school or in elementary. They probably used it and broke it, and she was scared to tell me. I would have rather her tell me it was an accident than not, because, come on. I don't think I would be as mad. For some reason, I wasn't really mad that she broke it, but I was new and I barely got it, and I bought it at Target, by the way. And I love Hello Kitty, is my favorite. So I didn't get to fully use it a lot. So she broke it right away. I was like, oh my god, I didn't even get to use it, and then it's broken. So a lot of my mirrors break. It's just an accident, coincidence. I don't know. It's just weird. And I don't want that negativity, but yeah, y'all know what they say. So it's just, no, I'm even scared of saying it because I don't want that to happen. Okay, so I don't want to invite it. So I'm just gonna add. Well, you see, I have dry patches right here. It's not even winter yet, but it's been cold a little bit. Not really, to be honest. But so yeah, more of the story. Don't let people borrow your stuff for a few days, for a weekend. If you do, make sure you're there so you see what the hell they're doing with it. What the heck? I'm burping. What they're doing with it. With pencils, I didn't care because I knew they were not gonna give it back. But for things that you value, like, or you really want, don't even risk it. So yeah, and I decided mainly talk about school story times. That's how you know I have strict parents and I don't really go out. So yeah, now I'm gonna add the freaking lip liner, the LA Girl Cosmetics lip liner. Now I'm gonna add a lighter nude brown, or light nude brown to blend it a little. Okay, clear gloss, the Rosy Glass Cosmetics. This smells like peppermint. Is perfect for the holidays now that it's coming up. I love peppermint lip products, lip balms. It feels good, and then it also wakes you up, and some feel tingly. Not this one, but they feel good. Some people don't like it, but girl, I love it. Cause yeah, it reminds me of toothpaste. I like it. Okay, phew, finally I'm done. So this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. This is my take on the Squid Game look. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.